여기 바다 위가 출렁이며 각국의 배들이 정체불명의 괴물과 충돌했다는 보고가 이어지지만 프랑스 해양학자 피에르 아로낙스 교수는 그 소문을 믿지 않고 직접 확인하기 위해 선원들을 모집하는 모습을 보여주며 여러분, 오늘의 영화 시작합니다.
I say there ain't no monster, but we need men. And just to treat you fair and square, we're paying double wages and a bonus from Frisco to Shanghai and back, all found.
All dead, you mean? Don't sign with him, mates. You can't buy off the monster with double wages and a bonus. You'll never get back to Frisco to collect your pay. I got a man here that sailed on the Golden Arrow and lived to tell about it.
It was the monster, all right. A cable's length long from beak to tail. And it came a bellering out of the night with one big eye like a lighthouse. 40 poor sailor men drowned dead.
The point is, this thing is a ship killer. And it's a miracle old Billy's alive today.
이렇게 소문은 점점 커져만 가고 있었습니다.
Don't bother unloading. Sailing's been canceled.
Cancelled again?
그리고 아로낙스 교수는 기자들을 만나게 되는데
Professor, we heard this expedition of yours was to gather facts about the monster.
I'm afraid you were misinformed. My reasons for going to the Orient are purely scientific. If I ever get there.
Professor, doesn't the giant narwhal reach a length of 80 feet?
Why don't you ask a fish?
If we could go deep enough, we'd all be surprised at the creatures down there.
Well, could such a creature destroy a ship or drag it under?
Well, it might, if it were big enough.
Don't you drink that.
Please be careful, Professor.
기자들과의 대화 끝에 돌아가는 교수. 그런데 다음 날
Look what they've done to me. I made no such claims as these. Look at this drawing.
Living horrors of the deep were described today by Professor Aronnax of the Paris National Museum. Why, this is the most far-fetched nonsense yet.
Excuse me, Professor Aronnax?
Oh, no more reporters. You've done damage enough. Professor is very busy now.
But I'm not a reporter. I represent the United States government.
United States government.
May I come in?
미국 정부 관계자는 아로니스 교수에게 이렇게 제안합니다.
Other nations besides ours are forming expeditions, but I like to think ours has the advantage if for no other reason than you might consent to join us.
Well, that's very kind of you.
We accept.
Good.
We headed south, and excitement ran high. Every man aboard was on the lookout, and the watch was kept day and night. For the first month, we steamed in circle, crossing and recrossing our course. There was no sign of our quarry. For endless days and nights, we scoured the South Pacific. Our hopes began to wane. It came as no surprise when Captain Farragut, on the night of December 8, 1868,
Gentlemen, I believe my obligation to this legend has been dispatched. In my considered opinion, no such monster exists or ever did.
are you abandoning the search?
There's no other choice, Professor.
Doesn't seem to me we have proved anything one way or the other, Captain.
Well, I don't feel justified in wasting further time. My decision stands. We'll set you ashore in Saigon.
어쩔 수가 없었습니다. 결국 회항이 결정되고 밖으로 나가는 선장. 그런데 밖에 나간 선장에게 들린 소식은
Ship off the starboard bow!
Hard over. Head for that ship.
All hands to rescue stations.
그렇게 갑작스럽게 폭파되어 버린 배로 다가가지만
I'm thinking she went down with all hands.
Poor devils. Not a living soul left. What could have caused such a fearsome explosion?
Black powder and worse, a whole shipload of the stuff.
What could have set it off, though? She must have struck something.
Or could it be that something struck the ship?
What do you mean, something struck her?
You mean in the monster, ain't you, mate?
Ah, it might be the monster, all right.
괴물에 대한 이야기가 나오지만 아무도 선원들은 믿지 않습니다. 그런데 바로 그때
On deck! Floating object off the larboard quarter!
There's the monster.
Come aboard, beat to general quarters.
Set compressors in prime. Look alive there! Get your range and fire, Carson. What's the matter?
She's showing us her heels, sir.
Well, hit her in the heels then. Fire!
Aye, sir. Run her off smartly.
We hit her, sir. She's turning.
She's turning around.
그 괴물은 도망치는 게 아니라 오히려 배 쪽으로 맹렬하게 다가옵니다.
Professor, hang on! Hang on! Hey, don't leave us! Help! Help!
They are disabled. They cannot help.
But they must! Help!
배는 완전히 침몰되진 않았지만 그들을 구하러 올 여유가 없었습니다. 결국 조수와 교수는 그렇게 표류되는데
Look, Professor, there's something over there. It looks like a monster.
I don't care about it. As long as it floats.
당장은 사는 게 우선이었습니다. 괴물이라고 불리는 그쪽으로 다가가자
Submarine boats.
This is incredible.
Men had dreamed about such miracles.
그들은 일단 잠수함으로 보이는 기계 안쪽으로 들어가 봅니다.
Is anyone down there?
There is great genius behind all this.
Yes, and great evil. Don't forget this. This is an engine of destruction.
두 사람은 안쪽을 수색하고 있었는데 밖에서 뭔가 소리가 들려오고
Ahoy there! Is anybody aboard?
Did you hear that, Professor? Somebody's calling from the outside. Why, Ned, it's you.
Well, anybody else get off?
Yes, the professor is down below.
한편 교수는 1954년 당시로는 엄청난 수준의 기술을 보곤 너무나도 놀라고 있었습니다.
Never seen a barge like this before.
Professor? Professor, where are you?
Hello, I'm in here.
What is it?
Burial ceremony under the sea.
그 광경은 엄청났습니다. 한 번도 듣도 보도 못한 생물들이 장례식을 하고 있었습니다. 그것도 해저 장례식을.
That tall one must be the leader.
They'd be coming back any moment.
그들은 인간과 똑같은 장례식을 치르고 있었습니다. 아니, 인간처럼 보였습니다. 과연 그들은 누구인가? 일단 이 잠수함에서 도망을 치려는 세 사람. 하지만 사실 이 괴물들의 정체는 똑같은 사람들이었습니다. 잠수복을 입고 있었을 뿐.
You are from the warship that attacked me, are you not?
Yes. We were under the impression that this was a monster, not a craft of human invention. This is Ned Land, master harpooner, my apprentice, Conseil, and I am Pierre Aronnax of the Paris National Museum.
Professor Aronnax. I'm secure for sea.
Aye, sir.
교수는 이 잠수함에 이들이 괴물이 아니라 같은 사람이라 다행이라고 생각했지만 잠수함 선장은 엄청난 결정을 내립니다.
All stations ready. Prepare for diving.
Yes, sir.
What's he up to, Professor?
I don't know.
3 degrees down.
3 degrees down.
잠수함 앞쪽에 세 사람을 두곤 그대로 잠수를 내버립니다. 이렇게 되면 꼼짝없이 수장당할 수밖에 없는 세 사람.
All engines stop. Service and standby. Pick up those 2 men in the water.
Aye, sir. What about the other one?
Take them all below and confine them to quarters.
대체 함장은 뭘 한 걸까?
I found out what I wanted to know.
그들을 구해주곤 잠시 후 음식까지 줍니다.
I'd like to express our gratitude, Captain. We are grateful to be alive.
I want none of your gratitude. You're all on the strictest probation. And I'd advise you not to attempt escape. You understand your position?
식사를 마치고 함장과 단둘이 이야기를 나누는 교수.
I am still curious as to the reason you spared our lives.
In your case, I wanted to test your loyalty to your companions. I may have use for such misplaced devotion.
Misplaced?
It comforts me to know that your life was not too dear a price to pay for love of your fellow men.
그리고 선장은 한 섬에 잠시 머무른다고 이야기를 하는데
We're almost at the island of Crespo. All this was once an island. Although it is now sunk, it is nonetheless fertile. We do our hunting and farming here.
Underwater?
The sea supplies all my wants.
Fine way to go hunting. I knew there'd be a catch to this.
Seems you can't do anything on this boat without getting wet.
An expedition from the Nautilus. The pair you see trying to keep pace are your companions. It's a new experience for them. They'll learn quickly. Would you like to join them?
Indeed, yes. I would like to meet these wonders face to face.
Very well. I'll introduce them to you.
말도 안 되는 눈앞에 있어도 믿어지지 않는 이 장면을 이 모습을 직접 체험하고 싶은 교수는 자신도 내려가는데
A strange twilight world opened up before me, and I felt as the first man to set foot on another planet, an intruder in this mystic garden of the deep. Captain Nemo and I were not alone. There were hunters and farmers from the submarine, gathering a harvest at the bottom of the sea. I could only marvel at his ingenuity and envy him his rule over this forgotten reach of nature. Here in abundance were various substances necessary to sustain life. An underwater larder filled to overflowing, and all Captain Nemo for the taking.
그러던 중 조수와 선원은 침몰한 배까지 발견하고 안쪽을 수색하게 됩니다. 와, 근데 여러분 이게 1954년도에 나온 영화인데 CG는 아닐 것 같고 직접 저걸 저렇게 했다는 건데 와, 진짜 이게 되는 게 진짜 대단한 것 같습니다. 그들은 보물 상자를 발견하고 그걸 가져가려고 하다가 그만. 다행히 함장의 도움으로 모두 함께 그곳을 벗어나 잠수함으로 돌아오게 됩니다.
Captain, we left a treasure out there. A whole chest of gold, silver, and diamonds.
Sent to get food, not treasure. You can't eat pieces of eight.
Eat, I can eat any time.
You place an absurd value on the cheapest of human commodities. Aboard the Nautilus, we use such baubles for ballast.
Well, I could sure lighten this ship.
Greatest treasures of all, Mr. Land. Mine a sound mind and a full belly.
그리고 교수는 선원인 네드를 불러 함장의 신경을 건들지 말라고 이야기합니다.
All right. Well, I go this far. I won't try any one-man mutiny. There's one thing you ought to know, Professor. Nemo's cracked. I've yet to see the day you can make a deal with a mad dog. So while you're feeding him sugar, I'll be figuring a plan to muzzle him.
사실 교수가 함장의 신경을 건들지 말라고 하는 데에는 다른 이유가 있었는데
Fool! You simply cannot grasp the significance of all this. Here we are within reach of the most fabulous discoveries of all time, and he prattles of gold, escape, triviality.
교수는 아직 인류가 정복하지 못한 물속을 다니는 이 잠수함의 비밀을 알고 싶었습니다.
I just think that Ned values his life above scientific achievement, that's all.
His life means nothing, nor does mine or yours compared to what's behind all this. We can't have him crossing Nemo. Today, we encountered a fearsome storm. An ordinary vessel would have suffered heavy damage. Safe and serene, the Nautilus cruised beneath the tempest. As the voyage continued, the Nautilus and its motive power excited my utmost curiosity. At my host's invitation, I inspected the ship. He seemed determined to show me everything. We went to the very heart of the vessel, the propulsion unit. It was apparent that Captain Nemo had discovered what mankind has always sought, the veritable dynamic power of the universe. This secret alone gave him mastery of the sea. I can hardly believe it. How one could conceive and build such a craft, and in a single stroke harness power beyond the wildest dreams of science. Why, such a secret could revolutionize the world.
Or destroy it. See how peaceful it is here. The sea is everything. An immense reservoir of nature where I roam at will.
With seeming indifference, Captain Nemo held the key to the future of the world. As I studied him, I became aware that powerful forces were at work within this strange man.
네모 함장, 그는 평범한 사람들과는 전혀 다른 생각을 가지고 있었습니다.
On the surface there is hunger and fear. Men still exercise unjust laws. They fight, tear one another to pieces. Here on the ocean floor is the only independence. Here I am free.
I still had not solved the mystery of Captain Nemo. But when one day he asked me to go ashore with him, I felt at long last I was to have my answer.
처음으로 함장과 육지로 나온 교수. 함장이 그를 데리고 온 곳은
The prison camp of Roropante, the white man's grave.
But I thought it had been abolished.
Nothing is abolished that turns a profit to that hated nation.
What is in those sacks they are carrying?
Nitrates and phosphate for ammunition. The seeds of war. They're loading a full cargo of death. And when that ship takes it home, the world will die a little more. I was once one of those pitiful wretches you see down there.
자신의 과거를, 자신이 했던 일을 처음으로 말해주는 함장. 교수는 엄청나게 당황합니다.
I did not escape from there alone. There were others. Most of them are still with me.
The crew of the Nautilus?
They're dedicated men with a plan for living. We seized one of their ships and fled beyond maps. A place known to be simply as Vulcania.
Vulcania. Sounds remote.
Remote and useful. It was there that we built the Nautilus. You will have the privilege of seeing all this at first hand.
그렇게 돌아온 두 사람. 그런데 함장은 돌아오자마자 다른 선박을 발견하곤
That ship that flies no flag sails with the tide. But the evil in its hold will never reach its destination.
You are going to sink that ship?
I said go below. Stay in your quarters.
그리고 그날 밤이 됩니다. 함장은 이곳에서 나가는 선박을 그냥 둘 마음이 없었습니다.
Collision speed full.
Collision speed full.
All those men, they didn't even have a chance.
They were sailors. Same as me. Slaughtered by that monster you're trying to make friends with.
Go to your quarters.
I've had a belly full.
Damage report, sir. Rudder and starboard diving planes disabled.
Muster a repair party. We make temporary repairs here.
Aye, sir.
You also asked me ashore to show me man's inhumanity to man. Why? To justify this? You are not only a murderer, you are a hypocrite.
Well, I see murder too, not written on those drowned faces out there, but on the faces of dead thousands.
함장은 더 큰 살인을 막기 위한 조치였을 뿐이라고 항변합니다. 그리고 이건 함장의 개인의 복수이기도 합니다.
My submarine boat and the energy that propels it, they tried. They cast me into prison, and when they failed, they tortured my wife and young son to death.
결국 함장 앞에서 아무런 말을 하지 못하고 돌아온 교수. 조수 역시 함장의 이런 행동이 너무 과하다고 생각하는데
I believe things have gone far enough. Murder means nothing to him. I think he enjoys it.
You're sure of that, are you?
I can only judge him by what I observe.
It is not your place to judge. You don't know anything about the captain. He's already said that he has use for me. But what's more important, the world has a use for him. And I must make him understand that. And when he does, I assure you that he will judge himself far more harshly than you ever can. Is that clear?
Whatever you say, Captain.
함장 앞에서는 그를 설득하지 못했을 뿐만 아니라 그를 이해하는 듯한 태도까지 보이는 교수. 조수는
What did you call me? Captain?
Yes, I did. And I must say there is a certain resemblance.
이 엄청난 기술력에 빠져서 점점 변해가는 교수의 모습을 보면서 뭔가가 잘못되었다는 것을 느끼는 조수는 네드를 찾아갑니다.
Ned, I want to be friends.
I want to be friends. I want to escape.
So do I, with you. And we have to save the professor in spite of himself. You once said you had a plan.
Trouble is, it won't work. I can't figure how they navigate this barge. Nothing's written down, no courses, no bearings, nothing. We can only figure where we're heading. We'd have a chance.
That's no problem. When I was reading a professor's journal, I learned about Nemo's plans. We're heading for a place called Vulcania.
Vulcania?
Yeah, that's Nemo's base.
Why didn't you say so? This is what I've been waiting for. Keep your eye peeled for the mate.
Aye, sir.
일단 네드는 탈출을 위해 해도 바다의 지도를 몰래 보는데
Ned, put them back. He's coming. All right. Hurry up.
오는 사람을 피해 선장의 선실로 들어가게 되는 두 사람. 그런데 갑자기 네드가
What for? I think I found something. All the distance is a measure from that point.
That's right, it must be.
하지만 잠시 후 선장이 자신의 방으로 들어오려고 하고
We'll complete repairs at base.
일단 두 사람은 자신의 방으로 도망칩니다.
I've got to do some research. I need some specimens. Get him.
네드는 뭔가를 계속해서 쓰는데 잠시 후 병을 가지고 오자
Now I'll tell you what I had in my mind. This may be old stuff, tossing messages off in bottles and setting them adrift, but I've heard of it working.
She won't answer her helm, sir.
한편 잠수함은 암초에 부딪힐 위기에 처하게 되는데
Astern, full!
Hey, what's happening?
An accident, Captain?
An incident. Our faulty rudders put us on a reef. The tide will float us free by evening. Professor, we're off the coast of New Guinea. Would you like to go ashore?
No, thank you. The last time we went ashore, it was a prelude to murder.
교수는 가지 않겠다고 했지만 두 사람은 좋은 기회라고 생각합니다.
Captain, I wondered, as long as the professor is not going ashore, if I could go in his place. I'd like to collect some specimens and take some notes.
Very well, permission granted.
Thank you, sir.
But stay on the beach. The natives over there are cannibals.
이렇게 두 사람은 드디어 며칠 만인지도 모르게 육지에 첫 발을 내딛게 됩니다.
I don't see any native girls hungry for affection.
Take it easy.
We're not supposed to leave the beach.
Who's leaving it?
Come here, quick. What is it?
Look, a trail through the jungle.
You have this in mind all the time. You want to escape.
What do you say, mate? It's a cinch.
Don't forget the
Oh,
cannibals.
belay the cannibals. He said that to scare us.
Besides, I couldn't leave the professor. Just look at me. I can't get through that jungle. You go faster alone. Hope you make it, man.
I'll make it all right. And I'll have every gunboat in the Navy hunting old Nemo. Give my best to the professor.
결국 혼자서 정글로 길을 떠난 네드. 그런데 함장의 말은 사실이었습니다. 엄청난 수의 식인 원주민들이 네드를 쫓아옵니다. 겨우겨우 그들을 벗어나려고 하지만 쉽지 않았습니다. 끝까지 쫓아오는 식인 원주민들.
Hey, cannibals. Hundreds of cannibals. Captain, scores of boats with
Captain,
cannibals.
we're under attack. Get me a harpoon, quick. Close the hatch.
I'll give the commands on this boat, Mr. Lamb. Stand aside.
I...
그들이 완전히 안쪽까지 진입하려고 하자 갑자기 선장은 또다시 듣도 보도 못한 방어 시스템을 동작시키는 함장.
I gotta see this.
This is amazing.
결국 식인 원주민들은 그대로 도망을 갑니다.
That's one way to keep guests from dropping in.
A mild charge of electricity, Mr. Land. Not very hospitable, but harmless. And speaking of hospitality, may I say that you have abused mine for the last time?
Well, how's that?
You've continuously disobeyed my orders. Take him in charge.
Aye, sir.
Now, wait a minute. What's this all about,
You left
Captain?
the beach with the intention of escaping. The only reason you came back is because the natives forced you to. You're going to regret that choice, Mr. Land.
Ship rounding the headland, sir.
A warship.
A warship?
Put him under guard below.
Take him below.
앞에는 전함이 있고 현재 잠수함은 암초에 걸려 있습니다. 일단 이곳을 빨리 피하는 게 급선무.
Astern, full.
Stern pull it is, sir. Let me out of this glory hole.
We're breaking out. And the water tight to us.
Aye, sir.
They're shutting the door.
Wait! Let us out! Wait! We are in here!
물이 들어오자 기계를 건드리면서 결국 불까지 꺼지게 되는데
How much water in the power compartment?
5 feet and rising, sir.
잠수함은 계속해서 끝없이 내려가고 안에는 물이 차오르기 시작합니다. 가장 밑바닥에 있었던 네드는 다행히 무사히 빠져나옵니다.
Braces in place, sir.
Man your stations! Start engines!
곧이어 고장난 잠수함을 수리했는데 문제가 여기서 끝나질 않습니다.
Giant squid astern, sir.
Emergency speed. All engines. We're fouled. Full repellent charge.
Aye, sir.
이렇게 물러간 줄 알았던 대왕 오징어는 이번에 잠수함의 옆구리를 또다시 공격하고
Sorry, sir. All elements burned out.
Then we shall have to fight on the surface. Assemble all hands in the chart room.
Aye, sir.
Drop all ballast. Diving controls full off position.
빠르게 수면 위로 올라가면서 전투를 준비하는 잠수함 선원들.
We'll be fighting in close quarters with the most tenacious of all sea beasts. Stay clear of the tentacles. They'll seize anything within reach and hang on to the death. The only vital spot is directly between the eyes.
드디어 수면 위로 올라온 잠수함.
Quick, the burn hatch.
함장과 선원들은 잠수함 위로 올라와서 대왕 오징어와 한바탕 전투를 벌이게 되지만 계속해서 피해가 발생되는 전투에 선원 네드도 그대로 뛰어드는데 그리고 바다에 뛰어들어 함장까지 구해줍니다.
Mr. Land, you saved my life.
몇몇 희생은 있었지만 결국 이겨내고 네드에 대한 오해도 풀리면서 다시 원래 목적지를 향해 떠나는 잠수함.
My apprentice tells me you have taken my journal.
I keep no log on the Nautilus, and I was frankly curious to read your account of the giant squid, in particular my narrow escape and rescue. According to you, Mr. Land is a hero in the best tradition of cheap fiction. Actually, he regrets saving my life as much as I would regret saving his. The only difference is that I wouldn't have tried.
Then it is that difference that gives Ned Land the human dignity you no longer possess. You protest too much. I know you were deeply touched by Ned's gesture, but you are ashamed to admit it. You cannot tolerate a fate in humanity, because if you do, all this, the structure of your very existence, which you built on hate and vengeance, all this will collapse around the naked lie of your life. You are a beaten man.
And you're a very gullible man, Professor. You're too easily swayed by sentiment. Individual good deeds over bad, the crude extremes. You oversimplify matters. The world is more complex than that, and what he would do one day, he would gladly undo the next. To be of benefit, goodness must be constant, forever building. It must have strength.
I'm afraid what you seek is perfection. You will never find it.
I have already found it here. But you are ever the optimist.
Do you really believe they would lay down their arms and abolish their slave camps?
Yes, I think I could persuade them. Let me try.
함장은 애초에 인간이 선천적으로 선하다고 믿질 않습니다. 아니 인류는 악하다고 생각합니다.
We've raised the island, sir.
Why have we stopped?
There are warships ahead.
Carrying what flag?
No flags, sir.
국기가 없는 군함. 그들이 잠수함의 본부까지 둘러싸 버렸습니다.
There's your answer, Professor. We've been ambushed by the very forces that you wish to trade with. Our boarding parties have already landed. This is a dark hour for history, Professor.
They'll be over the summit in half an hour, sir.
Everything must be destroyed before they reach the lagoon.
섬 안에 호수에 있는 이들의 본부. 일단 바다 밑 통로로 본부가 있는 호수로 들어옵니다.
All engines stop.
What is it, Professor?
We are at the base, and the island is surrounded by warships.
Have everything in readiness aboard.
Aye, sir. Take cover. Look, they're coming.
I'm gonna let them know we're here.
No, man, don't.
You up there! We're friends! Don't shoot! We're friends, I tell you! We're the ones that threw the bottles over!
그렇습니다. 이들은 네드가 떠내려보낸 병에 들어있는 목적지를 보고 이곳을 찾아왔던 것입니다.
That it was you who decoyed those warships here.
Aye, it was. Somebody had to strike a blow for freedom.
We did what we thought was right, Professor.
Right. You fools. This is going to cost the world the greatest discoveries of all time. He's gone ashore to destroy everything.
Every man to a station.
Every man to a station.
다행히도 함장은 빠르게 잠수함으로 다시 돌아왔습니다. 그런데 해치 안으로 들어가려는 순간
Stand by engines. Prepare for diving.
Aye, sir. Prepare for diving.
Half ahead. 4 degrees down.
그들은 또다시 일단 바닷속 통로로 빠져나갑니다.
Slow on engines. Mash the wheel.
Aye, sir.
그곳에선 빠져나왔지만 선장의 부상은 생각보다 심각했습니다.
We are taking the Nautilus down for the last time.
We understand, sir. And we're with you.
Wait a minute, I don't understand. What's that got to do with us?
In a matter of minutes, an explosion, such as the world has never known, will destroy my island and all its works forever.
Why do you take us down with you?
Lock them in their quarters.
Aye, sir. Take them out.
I don't want to die. Don't let them do it, Professor.
Captain, you cannot do this. There is more at stake here than just our lives. Yours was a dream of the future come true. I beg you to reconsider.
설득은 먹히지 않았고 결국 잠수함은 그들의 무덤으로 향합니다. 하지만 네드는 절대 포기하지 않았습니다. 이대로 여기서 죽을 수는 없었습니다.
Come on. Let's take it over the ship. Let's get out of here. Let's get the ship out and shove off. Hey, Professor, where you going?
My journal.
The island's gonna blow up any second.
I must get my journal.
그리고 함장은 잠수함과 함께 마지막을 준비합니다.
She blows.
지금까지 여러분 이게 1954년도에 나온 영화라는 게 믿어지십니까? 와, 저는 진짜 깜짝 놀랐습니다. 이 영화 자체도 굉장히 재밌지만 그 안에 담겨진 철학적 메시지도 개인적으로 너무 마음에 들었습니다. 지금 우리는 AI 시대로 가고 있잖아요. 지금도 이 영화와 비슷한 과학에 대한 철학적 질문을 던질 수 있지 않을까라는 생각이 들어서 소개해드린 저는 영화 중독이었습니다.
There is hope for the future. And when the world is ready for a new, better life, all this will someday come to pass.